India's GDP for the fiscal year 2020-2021 was contracted by 7.3%. And India is not alone. A recession is when the GDP growth rate of a country is negative for 2 consecutive quarters or more. A recession can be short, but its impact is long lasting. There are a variety of reasons for recession to occur. Some of these are associated with a sharp change in prices, which leads to a steep drop in spending by both public and private sector. Some recessions, like the 2008 global financial meltdown, is rooted in financial market problems. Sharp increase in asset prices and rapid expansion of credits often coincides with accumulation of debt. As corporations and households face difficulty in meeting their debt obligation, they stop spending in investment and consumption, which results in slowdown in economic activities. Some recessions are a result of a global shock, like the current coronavirus triggered lockdown, which have resulted in economic slowdown in many countries. India's GDP for the fiscal year 2020-2021 was contracted by 7.3%. And India is not alone. Out of 197 countries, 166 countries have shown a negative growth rate in the fiscal year 2020-2021. India's GDP has contracted 5 times since independence, but not as bad as this. Many global financial institutions, including the Reserve Bank of India, has termed this as a technical recession. Now, talking about the impacts of recession, one of the major impacts is unemployment, which is especially seen in unskilled workers. When private companies and also some government agencies lay off their workers to stop curbing the spending. Another is low output and business closures. When most of the people are out of job and families are facing difficulties in making the end meet, everybody looks towards government funded social schemes. But since the revenue of government is not up to the mark because of the recession, government also face difficulties in meeting the demands of maximum people. Now, how can this be resolved? The most popular and most recommended solution for any country to dig itself out of recession is an expansionary fiscal policy or a fixed fiscal stimulus. This is a high time that the government should start spending and stop thinking about fiscal deficit. Liquidity is the need of the hour. More money in the hands of people will increase spending and consumption, which is how the economy will blossom. Another way is by privatization of PSUs. We can see that Air India privatization have been going for quite a long time now. This has to be taken care of immediately, and privatization will give more money to in the hands of government for more social schemes. Another is direct cash flows in the hands of poor people, direct cash transfers, and more spending on infrastructure, and yes, on telecom department, because we have seen in the last past years the FDIs that we have attracted is mostly in telecom sector. By improving the telecom infrastructure and skilling people, we can generate FDIs which eventually will boom our economy. With prudent steps, we'll slowly and steadily see a change and we'll blossom very soon in terms of our GDP. Till then, thank you so much.